this video, you will learn how to delegate, approve or reject a task using Life Sciences Smart View. Sign in with approver or reviewer credentials. To delegate a task to another user, click the required task from the task list pane. Click Delegate. Select the user to whom you want to delegate the task and click Delegate. Note that you can use a type ahead filter to find the delegated users. That type ahead can match on any part of the delegate's name. The Delegate button is enabled once a user is selected. To approve a task, select the required task from the task list pane. After you have reviewed the document for correctness, click Approve. There are several possible approve values as shown in the Accept label column. Specify the user credentials. Select the appropriate approval intention and click Approve. The task is approved and completed. To reject a task, select the required task from the task list pane and click Reject. There are several possible reject values as shown in the Reject label column. Specify the relevant comments for rejection and click Reject. The task is rejected. And that's how you delegate, approve or reject a task in Life Sciences Smart View. Check out the other videos in this series for more Life Sciences Smart View tips.